Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are continuing our Windows Server 2016 series after some traveling vlogs. And lastly we have seen practical about installation of file server and resource manager, and we have performed the practicals regarding the quotas that we have created the quota and give the limit of 100 MB by using the home folder, and check the limit of that data on our client side. Right now we are performing another two practical. One is file screening and another is reports management. So firstly we are performing the new practical is file screening. So right click on file screen, then create file screen, then browse our path. So our path is D and home folder. Then here you can change your file. Suppose right now we have remote systems or we have not any add video files, and so we have select log the image files. Okay, so we cannot create image file on that home folder drive which have already given 100 MB limit. So we cannot create the image file on that. Then create. Now our file screening is created. Now right click it and edit. You can also edit the properties. Suppose here is box level, so you can choose another also, and here is also some options like a image file also selected, so you can select executable files, email files, anything, and path is as it is. Now right click and one more thing, that this option is only for available when you have created the Exchange server your over. So whenever any changes have been done on this file screening, file services management in file screening, then you got a mail automatically. So right now we have not any Exchange server. So right now our this practical first one part is created. Now we can check for firstly on our client side. So anything that we have done, so we have to perform the activity gp update force. Then after updating the policy, we are checking on our client side. So our client side is Windows 10 and user is test1. So entering the password, then check here the if we are able to create the image file or not. So go to this PC and you can see the home folder now, and we already performed 100 MB practical by quota. So right now create any file. Now firstly we can creating new folder, so it's able. Now creating new text file is also able. Now create new bitmap. So you can see you need to permission to perform with this action. The destination folder is access denied because we have give the permission that you cannot able to create any image file, otherwise you can create all type of file. So this is the practical regarding the file screening. So you can perform the give the restriction to different kind of file creation. Suppose we can add another. Firstly we can log out right now and test with another. Right click, edit file screening reports, and you can add compress file here. Now also we have add the compress file, and again run the policy. It's not right now mandate that GP update force, but it's good for our practical. Now update it again, login with 1 2 3 4. Now checking with compress, you can say the message is because we have right now given another permission that you cannot create the new compress folder. So this is the practical of file screen. Now you can better understand after performing the two types of file. One is compress and one is the zip. Now we are performing our second practical. Is right now what are the things that we have do on our like a file screening quota practical, how much activity that we have performed. So you can see all this report by using the practical is storage report management. So storage report management, click on general reports now. Then firstly go to settings, then here we can select the file screening audit that we have performed right now and you can get your report on any DHTML file, HTML, XML, whatever you want, text file. So now create the scope. Now you can add your path. Then we have added our path, and you can select anything, backup, archival, all kind of file. So now you have to choose the which kind of reports, wait for reports to generate and then display them. Then we can select second one option. Now it's automatic generating the report. Now you can say the reports are now generated. This activity is only for the server side. Now check the report. Open that file, HTML document, so you can understand. It takes some time because now we are generating. It's okay. Now it's done. You can find the files credit audit report. So the application files backup are yours that we can select, and our machine name is system1. Open this one. This is only for the original report is there. So this is the fire scanning audit report. So right now we have not performing any major activity, so it's not describing anyone. Otherwise, whatever you want activity performing in file screening, then it will be automatically performed. Now try once again for another report. File screening scope application you can select different type of. Right now we are selecting on the application file. We have not creating backup and archival files. And you can see the one of the option also here is exchange. It will reports it automatically submit to the exchange server, and the admin of that exchange server that who create the exchange server. Now right now we are selecting this option. Now report is creating the background. So if we cannot see that report, it's automatically see in the background. Again generate report. File screening scope, group files, application files, so we have to always select this one. can select here the different kind of options. Right now we are checking the quota usage because we have already performed quota practical. Select all the now here is the home. Then click on OK and wait for repairing. Now you can see this is the our quota report. You can see that we have given the 100 MB limit and 99 MB is usable. So what kind of practical video you perform, it will show you. This is the quota report. So we have performing file screening management and quota report, so you can find those kind of reports. So this is the end of the 3 practicals of the file server and resource management. So and next practical we have going for organization unit. So hope you are guys like this video. So share this video as soon as possible, and subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati to, and also press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.